What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, ladies and fellas in the back? I see y'all. Neek here, and I'm back with another home update. Before I start, if you're new here, I have a couple of videos in my home update playlist if you want to check those out so you can be up to speed. But like I was saying, guys, we had the video today. What the frick am I talking about? We had the meeting with the site manager today, but that was postponed until Friday. So I wanted to kind of rewind a little bit and give y'all a little insight on how we even got to the point where we were even building. I told you guys this is not our forever home. This is like a home for us to have right now. So we were like, we're gonna just have to find something, you know, it is what it is. And we chose a model that we feel is comfortable for us right now. So we went through the process where we had to put the deposit down to hold our lot, which was like $500. And then we basically picked out the elevations. And honestly, I want to tell you guys, picking out the elevations of like the highest elevation is not a must-have, because the inside of the home is not going to be any bigger. It's just the outside is going to be bigger. But we actually went with the highest elevation. But I'm just giving you that advice if you want to budget in certain areas. The elevation of the outside of a house is not going to change the inside, so you don't have to go with the highest one. So we had to go back to the model home where we basically picked all our upgrades and basically gave them the go-ahead to start building. So we had to put $10,000 down then. So after the $500 hold for the lot, we had to do the $10,000 deposit for them to go ahead and start building. So now we are in that process. They already did the framing, the electricity, and now they have put windows in, and we're at the process right now where they're doing the pre-drywall. Oh, I'm thirsty. I'm talking a lot. It's like I'm a teacher right now. Oh my goodness. But I just want to give you an update and let you get a little insight of how we started and where we're at right now. They actually changed our contract, which annoyed me a little bit, because it was like, okay, first of all, after, you know, we did our upgrades, picked our upgrades, we had to pick our carpet, and that is where the first issue happened, where we had to basically go back and change the carpet because the builder did not want to, I guess, go through with that company anymore. I don't know what happened with that. I let her know. I'm like, why should we have to change the carpet and basically pay more just because the builder doesn't want to go through with the other company that we already signed a contract under? Like, it doesn't make any sense. So that was issue number one, where we had to change the carpet and pay extra for that. And then issue number two came in, where we had to basically write up a whole nother contract where I had to get a lawyer involved, and I had to reach out to 2 lawyers because I wanted to know if that was okay for them to do. A realtor that is working with the builder and that company reached out to us, and this is when the framing came into play. They hit us up basically saying, like, you know, the builder is wanting an extra $13,000 more for lumber. So we were just like, what, extra $13,000 more? That doesn't even make any sense. Why should we have to pay extra $13,000 more because of lumber? Now, I don't know if you guys had that issue, if you're building a house right now or something, or trying to use anything with lumber. I don't know if you had that issue where lumber is going up, but that hit us out of nowhere. So basically we had to pay an extra $13,000 more, and it wasn't no negotiating about it. Like, they were like, either pay $13,000 more or we're just gonna basically sell the house for a higher price. So like, they were gonna make their money regardless. So we're just like, oh, okay, so gotta pay the extra $13,000. We already got our head in the door, so we didn't want to take it back out, you know? So I'm just like, okay, whatever. So that was another issue too. That was like maybe a month or so ago. I don't really remember the dates. Honestly, I don't even remember my birthday sometimes, y'all. I'm not even gonna, you know, lie to y'all. But I wanted to let y'all know, check into y'all contracts and let y'all know, like, if that happens to you, y'all not the only one out there that it happened to, which really sucked. So I actually have my notes right here because I wanted to inform y'all on what's going on our end with building a house, because it's our first time building a house. And if you ever, you know, build your first home, if you come into these issues, I would give you the advice and say, get your own realtor and get a lawyer, like, on standby, so they can read over the contracts and stuff. And that's what we're going to do, get somebody that is outside to look into everything, because we don't want to be just blindsided again. Get your own inspector, that's for sure, and make sure you all save up $10,000 off top just before you even think about building or anything like that. I'm gonna start driving, y'all, because I can't just sit there all day. I gotta make some moves, but I didn't want to. Just call myself I can't just sit there all day. I wanted to kind of give y'all my undivided attention, but I gotta make some moves. So we gotta talk and drive. We gotta talk and drive. But anyway, like I was saying, I had wrote some stuff down in my notes on my phone because I'm like, I have to reach out and let y'all know if y'all going through the same process, you are not alone. I'm gonna probably do another video on the upgrades or whatever that we chose for the house pretty soon. If you like this video, I'll definitely do a video on the upgrades. That lets me know that you guys are liking the video. Oh, another thing too that I think that was an issue for us is that we did not even walk inside of our home that we're purchasing right now. Like, the home that we walked through was like another model home, so we never even got to see our house. How, you know, if somebody, say if you were going in a model home, they have different versions of the model home, right? Boom. So we was walking through the other versions of the model home. We did not get to see our house. We never walked through the home that we're purchasing, which was really dumb on our end. So that's another thing that I wanted to let you guys know. Like, if you are in the selection process, definitely walk the home that you're purchasing. Like, I don't know what we were thinking, but yeah, because honestly we are not happy with the size home that we're getting, but we're just gonna stick with it because, like I said, we're not gonna be there, you know, we're gonna be there a minute but not forever, to where it's just not enough space for us. It has the 3 bedrooms right now. I am going to have my beauty room slash film room in one of the rooms, and then we're gonna have a guest room, and then it's going to be the owner's suite, and then we're going to have a bathroom and a bedroom in the basement, like I told you guys before. Should I be getting over here? Frick! I'm always about to miss my dang on exit. Like I was saying, we'll be able to work with it. We'll be able to work with it, work with it.
They work for me, they work for me, they work.
So that's basically what's going on right now, you guys. So let's go ahead and go over to the house after we run these errands. You know, I'm gonna go to Family Dollar first. I got to go to Family Dollar first. So we about to go to Family Dollar first. I'm not about to record that because what? This is a home update. Y'all don't care what I'm getting from Family Dollar. Then we about to go check over at the house, see what they got up to date, and then yeah, let's go.
It's about time for making up. Found you wasn't even waking up. Now you said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So confused, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? You had me lights on nothing. Take you there, take you.
Alright y'all, so that's pretty much what's going on up to date as of today. I'm going to be meeting with the site manager on Friday, so I'll be hitting y'all up with another video in a couple of days or so. So stay tuned. If you would like to join the journey and get updates on the house, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for showing me so much love and support. I really appreciate it. You know I do, boo. So I'll see you in the next home update vlog. Bye. Mwah.
Get that, ooh, baby.